Ken Salvail here today, just having a look at some protection for some of our outdoor plants. And these plants are going to be resting here until spring. And one thing to note about plants is once they're up out of the ground in pots, then their roots are subject to freezing. So it's one of these things that happens is sometimes the roots will freeze and get too cold and it can kill the plants. So what we do is we put them in a nice tight group, put them all tight together. They kind of insulate each other. And then we put this nice coarse chunky mulch up against them, and that adds a really nice insulation layer. If I have really delicate plants, I'll sometimes put it all through, even on top of the plants, on top of the pots, to make sure they're insulated for winter. So it's just a quick idea. We often get that question is when people have plants at home and they don't know what to do with them for the winter, and they say, gee, what should I do? Well, either dig a hole and just plant them pot and all into the ground, or at very least do this, get some mulch and bury them up around the perimeter. You can put them against your building and kind of mulch them on the one side just to keep them a little bit protected, so they don't freeze. And then, the other thing is just plant them in the ground. Remember that when the roots are in the ground, they're safe from hard frost and they're protected. So nothing to worry about there if you just plant them. But putting them in a warm house is not usually a good thing to do for outdoor plants. They don't like to be inside where it's too warm. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in to GrowerCoach.com.